Hello and welcome to the IEEE Electron Devices Society Electronics Encoding and Robotics exhibitor booth. My name is Susi and I am from the National University of Malaysia. IEEE EDS field of interest is as follows. And our vision and mission is to promote excellence in the field of electron devices for the benefit of humanity. If you are not an IEEE EDS member, then you are missing out on these membership benefits and services. And currently, the membership has been reduced to 10 USD for professionals and 5 USD for students. So grab the opportunity to be an IEEE EDS member now. IEEE EDS Educational Activities Committee is headed by Prof. Nawakanta Bhatt, who is the Vice President of EDS Educational Activities. An EDS ETC STEM program is pioneered by Fernando Gorin, where 15,650 students have benefited worldwide. In 2021, EDS sponsored a new program, Electronics Encoding and Robotics, where various educational kits were purchased and deployed in chapters in Malaysia. This program has also been uploaded in the TryEngineering STEM portal. Visit us today to know more about this program. And this project also emphasizes teamwork, where a Quintuple Helix is used, where we have non-governmental organizations, IEEE EDS, universities, industries, government, public, and also the environment to work together to achieve the success of this program. And the outcome of this program is 7 STEM events were executed over 7 weekends by 3 EDS chapters in Malaysia, involving 2 industries, 100 pre-university students, 30 IEEE volunteers, parents and also teachers from 80 different schools, involving government and also universities as well as Malaysian ministries. This program complies to the Sustainable Development Goals of the United Nations, where we try to look into quality education, gender equality, industry, innovation and infrastructure, reduce inequalities, and last but not least, partnership for the SDG goals. So in total, 7 STEM programs were executed from 14th of August till the 17th of October. For more information about STEM programs, you may contact us. So the subsequent slides will show you the events that we had conducted. Thank you for visiting our booth, and please join us for the live session this Friday. Thank you and bye.